Gravity RS3 remax is nasty. We'll crash through the hardest door. 4 man up in the RS4.
What is good, everyone? It is DSG Panther here. Today we are back with another video with the Polo, and today we are doing my first drive with the brand new Gravity Performance exhaust. It's literally going to be my first drive. Ignore my hair, I've just came from work, but yeah. So we're going to go on our first drive with the new exhaust. It's fully sick, yeah. It's got a cat back on it and everything. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, as you can see, that is the Gravity exhaust purring away. It is a full catback system, so it's fully legal. They also do a decat system that goes with it, which I will be getting, as we will be going stage 2 on this car with the RTMG Clever Clutch next month, but that will wait. For now, we've just got the back box on. As you can see, it's honestly just purring away. I've got to see this sick spot as well, I've just found on the way home from work, but yeah, honestly, it's going to sound so sick. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go for a little drive. I'll get some sound clips just down this little road, and then we will cut into the drive. It'll only be a little drive. I just want to show you guys what it sounds like. Also, make sure to use my affiliate link and code, which will be here and in the description, if you want to save some money on this exhaust and any other exhaust on their websites. But yeah, let's get into the drive, stop talking, get some little cinematics and get some sound clips, and then put the GoPro in the car, go for a drive. Alright guys, so we're now in the car. Yeah, we're just in the car. Don't even know what else to say, but yeah, let's get out of here, because we're actually like in the sticks. I don't even know where we are, we're in the sticks, to be honest. So, because I came down here to film this video, obviously this is in normal mode right now, so when it's in normal mode, the gears don't rev so high. In the Polo, there's no valve system on it. So yeah, but this is just, let me put the windows up. This is normal mode. This is without the valves, without it in sport mode, and the gears in this lowest gear possible. You can barely hear it, and then obviously you put it in sport mode, chuck it down a bit, and then you can go down a couple of gears with the paddles. We just move my phone so don't go flying across the car the minute we put our foot down. Oh, sounds so good. Honestly guys, I recommend this exhaust so much. Honestly, Gravity Performance has smashed it, because everyone gets the, you know, everyone gets the Scorpion, everyone gets the Cobra, everyone, I rate Cobra, to be fair. I do actually rate Cobra. I rate Cobra and Scorpion. Miltech, I just think are overpriced in my opinion. Just for what they are, they're just so overpriced. But no, I love this exhaust to the death of me. Honestly, this is the best exhaust that I've ever had. And bear in mind, I've had every exhaust. I've had a decat with stock exhaust. I've had Miltech decat. No, Miltech decat. Which is the decat that I originally had. And I've also had just a resonator delete, so it's definitely a big difference having this on compared to nothing. But yeah, so this is in normal mode right now. As you can see, it's so peaceful. It's actually really nice. Like, I thought it wasn't going to be loud enough, but it is on. It actually is loud enough, so thank God for that. But yeah, I'm honestly so thankful to Gravity. We're working with them now. We are officially working with them, because I actually bought the whole exhaust system, and then they were like, let's work together. So now we are actually working officially with Gravity Performance. I'm on their affiliate program, so if you guys do want to go and use my code, please go and use it. Save yourself money, please. They're really good value exhaust systems anyway, and then you're using my affiliate code, so you're just saving even more money. So you might as well just go and do it, alright? So it just saves you money. Like, this is not a promotional thing, but I just want to help you guys save money in exhaust, because I know how much these cars cost, how much the exhaust can cost. My dad's Supra, for example, is like £900 for a catback, which I will not be paying £900 for a catback exhaust system. So yeah, thank God Gravity Performance are around. We're going to get some stickers on the car from them soon as well. Make sure they do send me some stickers out. But yeah, hopefully we can get the D-Cat on, because they're sold out of the D-Cat at the moment, but I really want to use the D-Cat because I feel like it doesn't make sense to go and get a Cobra or a Miltech or a Scorpion D-Cat when I've already working with an exhaust company. So yeah, but my plans are stage 2 next month. Shout out the boy Hash, shout out KWJ, shout out Kieran from KWJ as well. We are going stage 2 on the car, and I honestly can't wait. But before we do any of that, next week I've got a sick video to do with the clutch on this DSG. No, my clutch is not gone, thankfully. Since I've got the TVS map on it, the gearbox has been smooth and perfect. But I want to go more torque, I want to have more power. Even on stage 1 this clutch slips, as we all know. So I'm upgrading it to the stage 2 clever clutch, well, stage 2/stage 3, but people don't really do stage 3 on the DSG Polos, and I don't blame them. But yeah, so we're going to be almost touching 300 brake on this Polo with the clever clutch installed on it, with the TVS map, the Voodoo software from KWJ. So this is all with traction on. Traction off don't make any difference, so there's no point in showing you what it sounds like with that. But if I put the back window down a bit so you guys can hear the fart a bit better, and I'll do that one as well. Hey, don't play with me, man. When man's got the fucking Gravity Performance. Oh my god, honestly, this exhaust sounds crazy. You lot do not understand, man. Honestly, I'm gonna end it there because this video has been a sick video already, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope this has sold you the Gravity Performance exhaust, because it really has sold me even just listening to it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're almost at 10k. My 10k is my goal this year, so let's try and hit 10k. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Love to everyone that follows me on Instagram at DSG Panther, and love to everyone that's been supporting DSG Mods, where you can go DSG Mods, link in the description for that. For me, I'm been Ben from, oh fuck off now, this exhaust is too much. I've been Ben from DSG Panther. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.